Hi guys! So a lot of you have been requesting me to do a haul video or stuff like that, but I'm actually being really mindful right now and not trying to shop a lot. So I thought I'd do an unboxing. I have a whole bunch of packages of what was in my mail through the last week. I really didn't look at my mail the whole week because my dad was unwell and I was busy. So I thought this is the closest I can get to a haul right now. So let's unbox. Okay, so I think we should start with the top of the pile. This is from Isa. I think it's a candle. It's a candle! Smells really good. Number one. Up next, we have something from High Street Korea. Okay, how beautiful is this? Reminds me of Seoul. Hi Sherry, hope you're doing well. We love that. Just like us, you love Korea. Yes, I do. I have a Korean obsession, and we can't wait to see you style these new pieces. Oh, so they have jewelry from Korea, and they wrote to me. I remember this. So there's some really, really pretty pieces, and they have like actual jewelry that they import from Korea. So some pretty pieces here. Can't wait to wear these. Up next, we have something from G.P.O. What is this? Marine collagen, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. It's a health supplement, and there's also a baby orange and a lemon inside it. Yeah, so can't wait to try this. Up next, we have something from Shivani Awasthi. Oh, what do we have here? So there are some beautiful accessories, and I think there's an outfit in here. Just gonna be mindful of the little balls that are flying around these. Remember last time I told you how detrimental these are to the doggies because Mars will eat them. So, oh, this is so cool. It's like a nice, like a mesh starry detailing bomber. I love this. This is so cool. And then we have some hair accessories and stuff. So there's a really cute personalized mask with S on it for Sherry, and a cute hairband and the bomber. Thanks guys. We have something from Clinique. Oh, we have some Moisture Surge with 100-hour auto replenishing hydrator. Okay, so this is the new Moisture Surge. You guys know I use this a lot. It's great for the summer, really, really like light, not a heavy moisturizer. Love this. So thanks, Clinique. Then we have Masaba's Fashion Week invite, which has been lying at our house for the longest time. So these are really cool headphones. Thanks, Masaba. I missed the show, but I saw everything online. Okay guys, so I've just changed the angles a bit, and yeah, I've got lots of disturbance going. We've got Mars barking, we've got some construction going on. So what I'm going to do is quickly unwrap everything. You're going to see some rapid unwrapping, and then show you guys everything. Let's do it. Okay, we're going to start with one of Mars's packages. This is from K9 India. This is his usual stash that I order. You guys saw this even in my last what's in my mail situation. Yes, they're all yours, okay? Okay. Sit, Mars. I'm going to show you guys what I've been teaching him now. Sit, Mars. Good boy. High five. Good boy. Take it? Don't want it? Last chance. Here. Take another one also and go there. And eat it there, okay? Good boy. So yeah, they do some great treats. Mars loves the chicken ones. We have the other ones, beef ones. Yes, I know you like them all, but you've got yours there. Go there now. go there. So that is what I ordered. Then what do we have here? We have some cool socks. So Wonder Woman socks. This is so cool. These are by Balenciaga, and these were, I guess, for Women's Day, which was sent to me at our house. I haven't seen them, but really pretty, really cute socks. So there's like white and gold, black and gold, and then there's like black, gold, and silver, and white, gold, and silver. Like really pretty socks. Thanks, guys. Then we have something from Nourish Organics. So these are really yummy, I think, like snacks. Roasted almond, cranberry, cacao, roasted cashews, fruit, and nut medley. These look good. Thanks, guys. These look really, really good. Yum. Then we have something from Atmantan. You guys know how much I loved Atmantan. Remember when I actually did a whole vlog when we were there? A beautiful, beautiful place to stay, and like a wellness hotel. Really, really nice. What do we have here? What do we have here? Okay, so they've started actually a whole bunch of supplements. So lots of wellness, healthy stuff, right? So this is an immunity booster, omega-3, gastro care, and some other stuff. So yeah, lots of healthy stuff. Thanks, guys. Now this is something I'm really excited about. Onitsuka Tiger sent me something. How beautiful are these? Okay, so they are like orange and blue. So beautiful. Oof. You guys know how much I love the brand, and these are just like really, really cool. So yeah, thanks, guys. Can't wait to wear these. Okay, then we have something really, really pretty from Crafted with Happiness, handcrafted by Baldev Kumar. They've sent a whole bunch of these things. They love my 30-day no filter challenge. Thanks, guys. That was really sweet. And they've sent me some dog worm accessories, which I love. So you have really, really cute. Oh, look at these. These are like paw earrings. How cute is that? So some really pretty earrings. So they have these really cute cups. There's a dog mom cup. There's this one, which is You Got This Babe. Really cute. And what do we have here? Oh my god, these are so pretty. Look at these. So these are hand embroidered. You have a Frida Kahlo one, and then you have Home is Where My Dog Is. These are super, super cute. Thank you, guys. Like, these are my favorites. I'm gonna try and find a spot for these in the room. But yeah, Home is Where My Dog Is. Thank you, guys. Then we have something from Better Life, which is, I guess, for Mars again. Mars gets more parcels than I do these days, guys. Ooh, what do we have here? Okay, so Anjali is actually one of the founders of Better Life. You guys remember her stuff in one of my other videos, NutriWolf. Mars loves her treats as well. So we have some jerky, some other treats, and doggy toys, and a personalized Mars towel. How cute is that? Oh my god, love this. Thank you, Anjali. This is so cute. Marzi Boo is gonna love it. And yeah, this is like really, really nice. So they've got some really, really great stuff. This is what I've been looking for, a snack bag for when I train him to put the snacks in. And like, just, you know, thanks, guys. This is great. And last but not the least, we have this guy, which is Mars. This tent. I know it's a tent for Mars. I've just been waiting to open it for a while. So yeah, let's make Mars's tent. So guys, that was a mega unboxing. Thank you to everyone that sent me stuff. I'm really, really grateful. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry, there are going to be no hauls right now because I'm not really shopping, but I can do unboxing videos for you guys if you like, since I get a lot of PR packages and stuff. Let me know if you want to see more unboxings in the comments. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that upload button at the bottom near the like button. Hit the like button as well while you're at it. And as I said, comment below if you want to see more unboxing videos. See ya. Bye.